What's up, my YouTube friends? Are you getting that maintenance due soon thing? Yeah, I was getting it too. So what you need to do is you need to press this info button and you need to scroll over with this button here to the right. Scroll till you get to the wrench. Press the enter. And then when it says oil life 15%, you press and hold the enter for 9 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See where it says cancel? Use the up and down arrows. Press all due items. Hit the enter. Reset completed. And there you have it. That's all you got to do. And your oil life is set to 100%. You might want to get the oil change too. It's always a good idea. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? 5,000 miles or 3,000 miles? Or 7,500 miles? I think in the manual says 7,500 miles. Don't go by what I say though. Look in the manual. I think it's 7,500 miles. It used to be 3,000, but now with the better oils and stuff, I think you can do it. 7,500 miles. So yeah, I'm gonna get mine done soon, but all right. Smash that thumbs up button for me and I'll see you in the next videos. Johnny V out.